What up? Hi guys. So, if you know me, yeah, I'm still Amanda. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Amanda. I just cut my t-shirt, so yeah, sorry about that. But anyways, today it is Thursday, and we're gonna have a basketball game, and my town's gonna be playing. So East Hampton super fan. Woo, go East Hampton! Anyways, so that's why I'm like that. And I'm just here to say I'm not doing my videos because someone's calling me. Hi mom. Videos. I'm on the computer. Yeah? I don't know, I'm going to the game. Yay! Oh god. Okay, give me McDonald's, fine. Angus mushroom. Yep. Hold on. Say hi. Mom. Ah, she didn't say hi. Okay. Anyways, so that was my mom. And we're gonna have McDonald's for dinner because we're not gonna have time for dinner. Anybody have time for that? If you don't know the joke, click. I'm gonna put the video in the description of the video that you can understand the joke. Anyways, so I don't know what I was talking about, but you know. I'm gonna show you guys my ringtones, my new ringtones when people call me. You saw that one. It's for normal people call me. Whatever. Oh yeah. The reasons that I'm not doing the videos anymore. It's not that I'm not doing. I'm just lazy. So kind of. I hate to put the subtitles. So people from Brazil, if you don't speak English, I'm sorry. But I'm not putting the subtitles anymore because it's a pain in the neck. Anyways, but I'm gonna try be doing the videos. Just I don't know, I'm gonna try, promise. But yeah. Kind of complicated. I'm a lazy kid, and I'm really busy. Okay, I have a lot of homework and research. Why history? Why ringtones? Okay, are you ready? This ringtone is when Chad called me. So.
Oh my gosh, it's my best friend calling me again. I wonder if something's wrong. This is only the 12th time. My best friend's called me all day. Yeah, best friends are cool because they know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house, they know when you're happy, when you're sad. Come to think of it, it's kind of like having a stalker. But I don't care, it's my best friend. Best friends are awesome. I think everybody should have a best friend just like mine. But don't take mine, I'll kill you. It's my best friend. Just get your own.
Got it? So this is when Chad called me. This one is when my mother called me.
It's your mother. Pick it up. It's mommy on the phone. Pick it up. Don't hide from me. You can't hide. It's your mother. Don't think you can run away. I know where you are. Pick it up. I'm gonna find you sooner or later. Pick it up. It's your mother.
So that's when mommy called me. So this is when Betsy called me.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim,
because She loves Finding Nemo. This is when soul waves call me. It is because she's the person who sings in our group of friendships, and I don't know, I like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Whatever. This is when Jackie called me.
You know I'm a chicken fried. Call me on Friday night.
Because she loves chickens. So, what a better song. This is when Daddy called.
Warning! It's the boss! It's the boss!
So that's when my dad called me. And this is when people call me. I know I'm a weirdo. I know I'm a weirdo, but this is my favorite song. Hold on. I just like this song, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. And I have this. It's my favorite song. That's my favorite ringtone.
Hey, it's a phone call from your big gay friend. A big gay friend. Your big gay friend. Hey.
Anyways. And I heard this one. Your mama's calling you.
Wants to see what you got to. If you wait till the song is through, just might miss her.
But it's basically like that. And what else I have here? I have a cat when I'm near dogs. Oh my god, I just love but this song. Here Go Crazy is awesome. And this one. Nerds. Yeah, it's The Walking Dead. I just like. Don't judge me. So yeah, I'm kind of bored actually. Waiting for parents to pick me up, that we can go and woo. So I think I'm gonna stop here. I don't know what else to talk about it, but yeah, guys, I miss you for making the videos. I really do miss the videos. I'm just not, I don't know, I'm just not having time, and I'm not hanging out that much, so I kind of have a lot of stuff to put in the videos. But yeah, I'm gonna try coming here and keep answering the questions. So if you have any questions about anything, ask me and I'm gonna answer the better way I can. And thanks for watching, and yeah, kisses, and I think I see you guys soon. I hope so. Bye.